friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve another interesting Leetcode coding problem 3178. Find the child who has the ball after k seconds. So another quite interesting and recent problem on Leetcode. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews. So let's start with this problem. You are given two positive integers n and k. There are n children numbered from 0 to n minus 1 standing in a queue in order from left to right. Initially child 0 holds the ball and the direction of passing the ball is towards the right direction. After each second the child holding the ball passes it to the child next to them. Once the ball reaches either end of the line, that is child 0 or child n minus 1, the direction of passing is reverse. Okay, so it first goes from left to right, then right to left, then left to right, and so on, right? Basically return the number of child who receives the ball after k seconds. So that's what we want to find out. So which child will have that ball after k seconds, right? That's what we want to find out. So here n is between 2 to 50 inclusive, k is between 1 to 50 inclusive, right? So let's take a look at this example. So if n is equal to 5 and k is equal to 6, so they have shown us here what happens after times, right? So first 0 will have the ball, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, right? So after 4 seconds, right, the ball will be with the boy with the child 4 here, right? After that it start going in reverse direction, right? Reverse direction. So it will go from 4 to 3 and then from 3 to 2 at 6, right? So that's what we want to find out. K is equal to 6. Who will have the ball? 2. So that's why the output is 2, right? That's what we want to find out. So here is another example where n is k, n is 3 and k is 5, right? So first 0 will have the ball, then 1, then 2, right? Now the direction is reversed, right? Now it will go in opposite direction, right? At 3 it will start going opposite direction. From 2 it will go to 1 and from 1 it will go to 0, right? At 4 it will again start opposite direction now, right? From left to right, from 0 it will go to 1, right? So at k is equal to 5, the child 1 will have that ball. So we are talking from about a 0 indexed basically, right? So 0 index. So index 1 will have the ball basically. Okay. So that's what we want to find out. So the direction will be like this, alternating, right? First left to right, then right to left, then left to right, and right to left, like this, right? This is the direction that the ball should move basically, correct? Okay. So I hope you understood this problem clearly with this example. So it will just start going to the next one. Once it reaches the end like this one, then it will start going in opposite direction. Again, when it reaches the end, it will start going in opposite direction. Correct? So this is what the problem is. So now you understood the problem. So how can we solve this problem? So now we cannot like just write a for loop or something and solve it, like, right? Because there must be some kind of a better way to solve this kind of problem, right? So this is basically mathematics, right? So in this case what we will do first is n we will decrease, right? N we will decrease. So we will put n is equal to 2. Why we are decreasing that value? Because we are talking about 0 index, right? This output is about 0 index, correct? That's why. So we'll decrement that n by 1. So n becomes 2. Now k is given to us 5. So what it tells us actually is we can find out which round is this one, right? So what is round? So round means that this is the 0th round basically. So we'll start with 0. We are talking about indexes from 0. So round 0, right? This is round 0. You are at the end, then your round 1 will start. This is your next round, right? Next round. So this is your round 1, okay? And this one is part of your round 2, correct? Round 2. So these are rounds actually, right? You go from left to right. This is round 1. Then from right to left, round 2. Sorry, round 0. Then this is round 1, and this is round 2 basically, from left to right again, round 2, right? So this is how the round will go. This is 0, okay? So starting alternatingly, so I can find out which round is this by looking at the value of n and k. How? K divided by n will tell me which round it is, right? K divided by n. So 5 divided by 2, right, is equal to 2. So I know that this is second round basically. This is for sure I know basically, correct? So I know basically that we are going from left to right. Okay. But now how will I find out this one thing? This one. So for that, now I know that k is equal to 5, n is equal to 2, right? So uh, if we can do, let's say, n mod k, right, then it will give us 2. Or if we do k mod n, right, k mod n will tell us uh, which child will have that ball, right? K mod n, so 5 mod 2 will give us 1 basically, correct? So that way we will know which child will have the ball, right? So this child will have the ball, this one will tell us which child will have the ball, correct? So if it is from left to right, then directly it will be 1. But if you are going from so this one is even, right? This is even number, this is even number, and this is odd number. So this one is clear to you, right? This is odd number round. So whenever you are in even number round, it means that you are going from left to right, correct? Left to right. So this one that we got, right, is will tell you directly the index of that child which holds the ball. Let's say you have more children like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's say this, you have more children basically there. Let's assume that for a discussion, okay? If n is equal, if this number that we get from mod is 1, then, and if your round is even, then I can directly go to 1, and this is the child that will have the ball. But if it is a odd round, then what I have to do? Then in that case I have to go from this direction. The one means that this is the one for me basically, because I am going in this direction actually, correct? If it is a odd round, so I have to subtract 1 from this last one, and this one will be my answer if I am going in, if I am in an odd round. Okay, if I am in an even round, I don't have to do anything, directly that will tell me the index, right? So now you understood the concept and mathematics behind this, to find out the child who will have the ball after k seconds. So we'll just do the same in implementation. So it's pretty easy actually. So number of child, so first thing we will subtract 1 from n, because we discussed, right, we are talking about 0 index, right? This n is 1 index, so we have to subtract 1 from it. We will calculate the round by k divided by n will tell us the round which are number of rounds we have actually in this case, right? Remainder is k mod n. That's what we have done. K mod n, correct? K mod n will tell us the remainder, which is 1 in this case, right? So now we will look at the round whether it's an even number or odd number. So rounds mod 2 is equal to 0. It's an even number. Then we don't have to do anything but just return that remainder that we got here, right? I shown you that. If you get 1, directly return 1 if it is an even round. If it is an odd round, then you have to go from the back side, right? From the back side. So that's what I'll show you. So if it is an odd round, then what you will do? N minus remainder, correct? N minus remainder. So that's what you will return, and that's pretty much it basically. So this should solve it, and you understood this logic with the example. So let's give it a run, and test cases are getting accepted. We are getting correct results, as you can see here. So 1 is the correct answer. Now we are going to submit this code to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is accepted on 100% on the performance, which is a very good solution by using a simple maths to solve this Leetcode problem. 3178, find the child who has ball after k seconds. Another interesting problem. So I just wanted to explain you this little bit of a maths here, and how we can use that to solve this problem. We don't really need to do the for loops and all that. It's just a simple maths problem. These kind of questions are typical in the interviews, so make sure you know this kind of a simple maths problem and practice a little bit more with these kind of problems, so that you can easily solve those problems. And if you like this video and if you like the way we have explained it using this whiteboarding session and example, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important. It really helps and supports this channel. It takes lots of efforts and creativity to create these videos, and if you really want to appreciate it and and be generous enough, then give it a like and subscribe to it. Share it with all your friends and colleagues, so they will also come to know about this channel, watch these videos and learn from these videos. On this channel we have more than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems. That includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees. You can also use this channel to learn more data structures such as tags, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap. There are problems here related to dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, BFS, DFS, and a lot more. So don't forget to check out those playlists. They will definitely help you out in learning lots of new things. And keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems. And thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.